Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can write some contents into a text file in Python. So let's get started. Now I am inside my vscode and I will create a file here, a text file here. So I'll click here and let's say the file name is demo.txt and I will hit enter. Then you can see this text file is created. So you can see here this file is currently empty. So now we will write some content inside this file by using Python. Okay, so now I am inside my Python file and here we will write some contents. Okay, so to write some contents we need to open the file first. Okay, so to open the file we have a function, that is open function, and inside it we need to specify the file name. So I'll write here demo.txt and now we need to specify the mode. So now I want to write the data into the file, so that's why we need to open the file in write mode. So for that I need to specify here w, so w for write. Okay, so now this is the file object, so I will store this object inside a variable. So let's say I'll write here f is equals to this object. So now to write the contents inside a file we have a built-in function available in Python, that is write function. So I will write here f dot write. Okay, so inside it we need to write the message or we need to pass the data. So let's say I'll write here hello and welcome to coding things. Okay, so now I have written this content inside this write function. Now if I execute this file, then what happens? Let me execute it. So you can see here now this demo.txt file is empty. Okay, so now I will execute this Python file. So let me run this file. Then you can see the file is run successfully, and let's move to the demo.txt file. Then you can see the content is there. Okay, so in this way we can write the data into a file. Okay, so we can use another syntax also. Let me comment all these things. So we can use the with keyword also. So to write that I will write here with open. Okay, with open, and inside it we need to specify the file name. So I'll write here demo.txt and I want to open it with write mode, and then I'll write here as f and then colon, then I'll hit enter. Here I need to write f dot write function, and inside it let me write here something. So I'll write here uh, welcome to coding things. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see the file is run successfully. Now if I move to the demo.txt file, then you can see the previous content is replaced with this new content. Okay, welcome to coding things. So this is the functionality of a write function, and we can write some data into a text file by using this write function. Okay, so now I will clear the terminal and I will, let's say I'll remove this statement from here, and I'll uncomment the previous statement here. And so and another thing is if I remove this file, okay, let me delete this file. I'll delete here. So now you can see the file was deleted. Okay, so now if I run this file, then what happens? Let me run this file again. So I'll run this file. Then you can see it is not throwing an error. Okay, so when we are performing write operation and if the file is not exist, then it will create a file and put the contents inside that file. Okay, you can see here this file is automatically created here, demo.txt, and now if I move inside this, then you can see the content is written here. Okay, so remember one thing, when we are using read operation, then we will get error if that file does not exist. If we are performing write operation, if that file does not exist, then you will not get an error. It will create a file and put the contents inside that file. Okay, so this is the difference between read and write mode, and in read mode you only read the contents of the file, and in write mode you can write some data or some contents into the file. Okay, this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.